It's a common practice for drivers to throw the wrappers over the loaded trailer to secure the load. The wrapping motion may present a safety issue for the driver. A strain injury may occur due to repetitive motion of the shoulder. The driver must exert substantial force to throw the heavy wrapper. Nowadays, log loads require more wrappers because of more stringent cargo securement regulations. This leads to the drivers throwing wrappers more frequently. As well, an aging truck driver pool puts drivers at an increased risk of musculoskeletal related injuries. There is a solution. Use the loader to assist with the installation of log wrappers. We'll call this the loader-assisted wrapping technique. FPInnovations studied the loader-assisted wrapping technique in northern BC operations and then demonstrated it in southern BC operations. The results were impressive. For this operation, the time to wrap the load with a conventional technique was almost the same as with the loader-assisted technique. The loader-assisted wrapping technique consists of 5 steps. First, the driver throws about 1/3 of the wrapper onto the gravel. Next, the loader drapes the wrapper over the load. In the next step, the loader secures the load for the driver to tighten the wrappers. The driver then reaches under the load with a wrapper hook to retrieve the end of the wrapper. Finally, the driver cinches the load. Now, let's watch the entire cycle. There are several benefits to using the loader-assisted wrapping technique. This technique reduces the risk of injury resulting from throwing wrappers. It increases safety awareness among forest workers, has a minimal impact on productivity, and helps to retain drivers.